Hi students, welcome to Sankalp Study Success. Today I am going to explain about IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic and spiro compounds. So right, what is bicyclic, what is spiro? So if the two cycles are connected with two carbons or more than two carbons, like this is one cycle, this is one another cycle. These two cycles are connected with three carbons, 1 2 3 carbons. Here these two cycles are containing two common carbons. Here the two cycles containing three common carbons. So the two cycles containing two or more carbons, common carbons, that is said to be bicyclic compounds. What is bicyclic? The two cycles containing two or more common carbons. It is that two, okay, these are two common carbons. These two cycles containing these two common carbons. But these two cycles containing three common carbons, 1 2 3 or more, two or more carbons, that is said to be bicyclic compounds. So the two cycles containing two or more common carbons, that is said to be bicyclic compounds. Here the two cycles containing how many common carbons? 1 2 3 4, four common carbons, right? So the two cycles containing two or more common carbons, that is said to be bicyclic compounds. What is spiro compounds? The two cycles, right, this is one cycle, this is another cycle. These two cycles containing only one common carbon, that is said to be spiro compounds. So this is said to be bicyclic compounds. So we know that what is the difference between bicyclic and spiro compounds. If the two cycles containing two or more common carbons, this is two common carbons, this is three common carbons, this is four common carbons, 1 2 3 4 common carbons. So the two cycles containing two or more common carbons, that is said to be bicyclic compounds. If the two cyclics containing only one common carbon, that is said to be spiro compounds, right? So now I am going to explain about IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compounds. Later we will discuss about nomenclature of spiro compounds. So first of all, bicyclic compounds. Bicyclic again two types. Bridged bicyclic, fused bicyclic. What is bridged bicyclic? What is fused bicyclic? If the two cycles containing two common carbons, right, these two common carbons, that is fused bicyclic. If the two cycles, okay, right, this is right, this is fused bicyclic. These two cycles containing how many common carbons? Two common carbons, 1 2. These two cycles containing two common carbons, that is said to be fused bicyclic. If the two cycles containing more than two common carbons, that is said to be bridged bicyclic. So this all are. So this okay, these two cycles containing how many carbons? Three common carbons. So this is also 3. So this is also 1 2 3 4, right? That is the bridged bicyclic. So bicyclic again classified into two types. One is fused bicyclic, another one is bridged bicyclic. What is fused bicyclic? If the two cycles containing two common carbons, that is said to be fused bicyclic. If the two cycles containing more than two common carbons, that is said to be bridged bicyclic. But the IUPAC nomenclature of fused bicyclic and bridged bicyclic are same. Okay, right. Now, okay, how to give a numbering and how to write its nomenclature. Listen to me. So this is the bicyclic structure. In this bicyclic structure, here these red mark symbol, these are said to be bridged heads. Okay, these two cycles are connected to these carbons only. These two cycles are connected to these carbons. So these carbons are said to be bridged heads. These are said to be bridged heads, right? And remaining, so this cycle and this cycle are said to be, these two cycles are said to be bridges. So this cycle containing how many bridge carbon? Two carbon bridge. This is the two carbon bridge. So this is also containing two carbon bridge, and this one containing one carbon bridge. So here, what are bridges? What are bridges? Okay, right. So the two cycles are connected to common carbons that are said to be bridged heads. So these two are bridged heads. So this is one cycle, this is another cycle. So this is two carbon bridge. This is also two carbon bridge. This is one carbon bridge, right? Now the numbering given via large ring covered to the small ring. Suppose here the two rings are same. How many carbons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are like 5, right? Both are same number of carbons. So if we can take another one, right? This is, it is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 membered cyclic structure. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 membered. So the numbering is firstly given from large ring to smaller, right? So the numbering is given via large ring covered to the small ring. Large ring covered to the small ring. So that means firstly the numbering is given for large ring, next goes to small ring, right? So large to small. So that is very, very important point. The numbering given via large ring covered to the small ring. And the first number is given bridge head. So the numbering is given first for bridge head. So this is the bridge head, this is the bridge head. So the first number is given for either this bridge head or this bridge head, right? Okay, this is the numbering. So first of all, we can write one name. So first of all, we can write this. So the numbering is given first for bridge head 1. This is 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next goes to this 5, 6, and 7. Right. So this is the priority of numbering. Right. So here how many carbons are present in this bicyclic? Total how many carbons are present? 7 carbons. So that can be written Ft. So what its prefix? This is not a single cyclo. This is a bicyclo. So first of all we can write its prefix, secondary prefix, primary prefix. What is primary prefix? Bicyclo. So bicyclo. So we can write here. Right, bicyclo. Next we can write in square bracket. In the square bracket, we can write how many carbon bridges are. So in this cyclic, how many carbon bridges? 2 carbon bridges. Okay, in this cycle, how many carbon bridges? 2 carbons, and in this 1 carbon. So that can be written. So higher to lower can be written. So here both are same. That can be written. So it is containing this bridge containing 2 carbons. This bridge containing 2 carbons, 2, and this bridge containing how many carbons? 2 carbon, and this bridge containing how many carbon? Okay, 1. So bridge head carbons cannot be count here. So bridgehead carbons cannot be counted here. Okay, bicyclo 2, 2, 1, and the total how many carbons are present? 7. That means F. So this is single bonds, all are single bonds. N. So bicyclo 2, 2, 1, F10. Bicyclo 2, 2, 1, F10. Similarly, goes to this compound. Next. Right. So these are a spirobicyclic, right? Now, okay, the numbering is always given from large ring to smaller ring. This is the large ring, this is the smaller ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 line, right? This is the numbering priority, right? So first of all, we can write bicyclo, right? So next we can write square bracket. In the square bracket, in the parenthesis, this is containing how many bridged carbons? This is containing 2 bridged carbons. So this is containing how many bridged carbons? This is containing how many bridged carbons? 4 bridged carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is containing 1 bridged carbon. Right? So total we can write this is large. How many bridged carbons? 4. So this is containing 2 bridged carbons. So this is 1 bridged carbon. Right? Bicyclo 4, 2, 1. So total how many carbons are present in bicyclic? 9. None. So all are single bonds. Non-N. So next goes to another compound. Right. So here, so this is a one bridged cycle. This is another bridged cycle. Right. So what its name? Bicyclo. Right. It is containing 2 carbons. So how many carbons? Numbering is given starting from bridgehead. First number is given bridgehead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So bicyclo, this is containing 2 carbons. This is containing also 2 carbons. This 2 carbons. And this is 1. So bicyclo 2, 2, 1. How many carbons? F. All are single bonds. Same. So these two are same. Okay, both the structures are same. So both the structures. What its name? Bicyclo 2, 2, 1, F10. So both structures are same. Right. This is also said to be nurborane. Its common name is nurborane. Right. Next goes to another compound. So what its name? So this is right. These are the bridgeheads. Okay, these are the bridgeheads. Right. So it is containing 2 carbons. 2 carbon bridge. This is also containing 2 carbon bridge. So the numbering is given from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So what its name? Bicyclo. So how many bridged carbons present in this? 2. Here 2. And here also 2. Bicyclo 2, 2, 2. Total how many carbons are present in this? 8 carbons. 8 carbon means oct. So all are single bonds. Octane. Right. So next goes to this compound. Right. So these are the bridgeheads. So the the numbering is given from larger ring to smaller ring. So this is the large ring, this is the small ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the numbering is also given from this, but here the substudent having least position from this side, but from this side it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position. That is wrong. So what its name? Right. So here substudents first, what is the structure of IUPAC? Prefix plus word root plus suffix. So here what are the prefix? Here the secondary prefix are substudents. So here methyls, Me means methyls. Here methyls are 2 repeated, that is dimethyl. That position 2 and 9. 2, 9 dimethyl. 2, 9 dimethyl. Next we can write a primary prefix. What is the primary prefix? Bicyclo. And in parenthesis carbon bridges can be written. So in this bridges how many carbons are there? In this bridges how many carbons are there? In this bridges, this is the 3 carbon bridge. So this is the 4 carbon bridge. What is this? So first of all we can write higher number. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 3 carbon bridge. So this is 3 carbon bridge, this is 4 carbon bridge, and here the bridged carbon is 0. This is a bicyclic compounds again classified into fused bicyclic, bridged bicyclic. So for fused bicyclic, that last digit is 0. Why? Here 1 carbon is present, here 1 carbon is present, 1 bridged carbon is present, here 1 bridged carbon is present, here also 2 bridged carbons. Here bridged carbons are absent, that means that can be taken 0. Okay? Bicyclo. This is the fused bicyclic. Right. How many carbons are present in this bicyclic? 9. None. So all are single bonds in, non-N. Right. Next goes to this compound. So these are the right. The numbering is given from larger ring to smaller. So both are having same number of carbon cyclic structures. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, 7. So this is the numbering priority, given numbering priority. So what its name? Okay, here OH is the functional group. OH is the functional group. So that is the secondary suffix. That is the secondary suffix. So that can be written last. So first of all we can write bicyclo. So its numbering can be written. Bridged carbons can be written in parentheses. So this is the 2 carbon. This is the 2 carbon bridge. 2 carbon bridge. This is also 2 carbon bridge. 2 carbon bridge. 2 carbon bridge. This is 1 carbon bridge. 1 carbon bridge. Right. So what its name? Bicyclo 2, 2, 1. Bicyclo 2, 2, 1. So total how many carbons? 7 carbons. F10. Right. Here functional group is present at second position. 2 vol. Okay, per alcohol, OH means whole alcohol. Per alcohol 2 vol. Right. Or 2-eptanol. This is also written, yes. Bicyclo 2, 2, 1, 2-eptanol. 2-eptanol. Right. Next we can write this. So this is the larger ring, this is the smaller ring. So the numbering is given always first per larger ring. and the numbering is given for bridge date 1. So this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Here, these are methyl groups. These are methyl groups. So that are substituents, that are secondary prefix, that can be written first. So that can be written first. So 2,2-dimethyl, 2, 2 dimethyl, 2, 2-dimethyl, and bicyclo in the parenthesis. This is the 4-carbon bridge. This is the 4-carbon bridge. That can be written first. This is the 3-carbon bridge. 1, 2, 3. And this is the fused cyclic. So that can be written 0. 4, 3, 0. Total how many carbons are there? 9. Non-N. Right. So what its name? Right. So this is the bridged carbons for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So this is also fused bicyclic structure. What its name? Right. Bicyclo. So this is a 4-carbon bridge. This is the 4-carbon bridge. This is the 3-carbon bridge. 4-carbon bridge. 3, right. 3-carbon bridge. So 4, 3, and this is a 0. How many carbons are present? 9. Non-N, and here the functional group is present at 2nd carbon, that is ketone, that means 2-one. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature for some bridged bicyclic compounds, like bridged and fused bicyclic compounds. Now I can write some more examples. And so what its IUPAC name? Right. So its IUPAC name is, so this is the bridge date. So these are the bridge dates. These are the bridge dates. Right. Now what its name? Okay. So the numbering is given for larger ring to smaller ring. Both are same numbered carbon rings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. These are methyl substituents. 1, 2, 3 methyl substituents. So that methyl substituents can be written first. So what its name? Right. 1. So one methyl is present at 1 position and another 2 methyls present at 7th position. 1, 7, 7. Trimethyl. Bicyclo. Right. What its number? So this is the 2 carbon. This is the 2 carbon. This is 1 carbon. 2, 2, 1. So this is the 2 carbon bridge. This is also 2 carbon bridge. So this is 1 carbon bridge. So 2, 2, 1. So total how many carbons? 7 carbons. F10 on all single bonds. F10. So what its name? 177 trimethyl bicyclo 221 F10. Next goes to this one. Okay, the numbering is given for in this way. So this is 7. So here also At 7th position, substituents are there. 2 substituents are there. Okay. Okay. Right. If another substituent is also present at the first position. Right. So what its name? Similarly same. So 1, 7, 7 trimethyl. So bicyclo. So this is 2 carbon bridge. This is also 2 carbon bridge. This is 1, 2, 2, 1. So total how many carbons? 7 carbons. F10. Here the double bond O. This is ketone group that is present at second position. 2 on. So 1,7,7 trimethyl bicyclo 2,2,1 F10 2 on. Its common name is camphor. So its common name is camphor. Right. And next goes to this one. What its name? So this is the numbering is given from 1, 2, 3, 4 from left side. Why? Yeah, the double bond is present. That is given least priority. First priority 7. So what its name? So bicyclo. Right. This is 2 carbon bridge. This is also 2 carbon bridge. 2, 2. This is 1 carbon bridge. 2, 2, 1. How many carbons? 7 carbons. F2. So this is ene. This is not ene. This is 2 ene. That ene is present at second position. 2 ene. So this is also said to be narborine. Its common name is narborine. Right. Its common name. Next goes to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So what its name? Bicyclo. This is 2 carbon bridge. This is also 2 carbon bridge. This is 1 carbon bridge. 2, 2, 1. How many carbons? F2. Here double bond is present. This is not ene. This is ene. 2 ene. And 7 one. Here the what is the secondary suffix ketone? That is one. 7 one. Right. And last one. Both are same numbered carbons. So that numbering is given either right side or left side. Both are same. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So bicyclo. This is also fused bicyclo. This is a 4 membered. This is 4 membered 4 carbon bridge. 4. This is also 4 carbon bridge. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And this is a 0 carbons. 4, 4, 0. Right. How many carbons? 10 carbons. Deck. So this is ene. That ene is present between not 1. Here this is also 1. If the double bond is present, that is 1 ene. But here the double bond is not present at 1. Here the double bond is present at 1 and 6. So that is important. So 1 ene, not a 1 ene. Okay, this is also 1 ene. Okay, if here double bond is there, that is 1 ene. Here double bond is there, in one position double bond is there, that is 1 ene. But this is not a 1 ene. Here the double bond is present between 1 and 6. So that can be written 1 hyphen in bracket 6 ene. So that means here the double bond is present between 1 and 6. That is important. So these are the IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compounds. Now I am going to explain IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compounds. Right, now I am going to explain about IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compounds. What is spiro? Right, if the 2 cycles containing only 1 common carbon, that is already says that. What is that? the two cycles containing, okay, this is one cycle, this is a B cycle, these two containing only one common carbon, that is said to be spiro compound. Similarly, this also, this is one cycle, this is another cycle. These two cycles containing only one carbon, that is said to be spiro compounds. Okay, in the spiro compounds, how to write IUPAC nomenclature, right? So the IUPAC the numbering and everything, the numbering and name is also reverse for bicyclic compound. It is the reverse of bicyclic compounds. So the name of the IUPAC nomenclature of spiro compounds is the reverse of bicyclic compounds. So in the bicyclic compound, the numbering is given from larger ring to smaller ring, large cycle, larger bridge to smaller bridge. But here the numbering is given by a small ring to large, small to large. So this is reverse. So in bicyclic compounds, the numbering is given from large ring to small ring, but here small ring, smaller to larger. So this is reverse. And also in bicyclic compounds, the first number is given per bridge head. The first number is given per bridge head, but here the first number is given bridged head beside carbon. Okay, here the first number is given bridge head beside carbon. So this is a bridge head. So beside carbon means this. So all these are bridge head beside carbons. So this is per given one, or this is per given one, this is per given one, or this is given per one, right? And the first number is also given per bridge head beside carbon. That must be lower number cycle. Okay, less number cycle, smaller cycle, right? Now, so this is the general structure, spiro. So spiro, what its primary prefix, spiro. So this is the numbering. Okay, this is the alkane. Alkane means how many, the total number of carbons are present in a cyclic structure. That is the alkane, right? So first of all, we can write this. So smaller to large. So both are having a same numbered carbon chain, same number cyclic structures. And the numbering is given first per not a bridge head. The first number is given for adjacent bridge head. So this is the adjacent bridge head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. And now what its name? Spiro. Right. Spiro. Right. Numbering. So this is the 2 carbon bridge. So this is that, 3 carbon bridge. This is the 1, 2, 3. In the bridge, how many carbons are there? 3 carbon bridge. This is the 3 carbon bridge. So this is also 3 carbon bridge. This is also 1, 2, 3. This is also 3 carbon bridge. 3 carbon bridge. So what its name? So spiro in the numbering 3. Okay, the numbering is also can be given from lower to higher, but here same 3, 3. And in the bicyclic compounds, the numbering is given 3 bridges, but here 2 bridges only. Okay, here third bridge is absent, right? Okay, in these bicyclic compounds, the 2 cyclic compounds containing 2 or more common carbons, but in the spiro compounds, the 2 cyclic compounds containing only 1 common carbon. So here the third digit can be written, right? Cannot be written. So 3, 3. So how many carbons are present in the bicyclic spiro compound? 7 carbons, like F2. So this is N, F10. So spiro 3, F10. So next goes to this compound. So both are 5-member cyclic structures. So the numbering is given from lower to higher, but here both are having same, and the numbering is also given per not per bridged yet. So the numbering is given, first number is given per bridged adjacent carbon. This is the bridged adjacent carbon. These are both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So spiro. So this is the 4 carbon bridge. This is also 4 carbon bridge. 4, 4. How many carbons are present in the spiral compound? 9. Nonane. All are single bonds. Nonane. Next goes to this compound. So this is very, very important, right? So this is the bridge dead. Now the numbering is given for edged carbon, bridged edged carbon, adjacent carbon. So this is also adjacent carbon, these are also adjacent carbons. So first priority given for bridged adjacent carbon, that must be smaller ring. So this is the smaller ring. So the numbering is given from smaller to larger. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what its name? Spiro. So it is containing, this is 3 carbon bridge. This is the 3 carbon bridge. So this is the 3 carbon bridge. So this is the 4 carbon bridge. So first we can write lower to smaller to larger. This is the smaller 3 carbon. This is the higher 4 carbon. 3, 4. So total 8 carbons, octane. Right. Next goes to this compound. Right. The numbering is given for not yet bridge dead, adjacent of bridge dead. So this is functional group. This is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what its name? Spiro. So this bridge containing lower to smaller to larger. So 3 carbons, 3. This is containing 4 carbons, 3, 4. Total how many carbons? Oct. Right, octane. Here the one is present at 1. So 1 one or octanone. Spiro. 3, 4. Octanone. Right. Next goes to this compound. So this is both are having same numbered carbon bridges. So the numbering is given for bridged at beside carbon. So this is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Next 6, 7, 8, 9. So right. Here. So first of all we can write spiro. So in the bridged, right. This is containing 4 carbon bridge. This is also containing 4 carbon bridge. 4. Next. Here one substituent is present. So that can be written first. So here one substituent is present. That is methyl. So 1 methyl spiro. 1 methyl spiro. So this chain containing 4 carbon bridge, 4. This carbon chain containing 4 carbon bridge, 4. And total how many carbons present in this ring? Right, 9 carbons. All are single bonds. That is nonane. Next goes to this. So this is the 5-membered ring. This is the 4-membered ring. But according to this spiral compound, smaller to larger. So this is the smaller ring. So the numbering is given for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, both are same. 5, 6, 7, 8. So not given first priority for this. This why? So this is the 5-membered ring. This is the 4-membered ring. So the numbering is always given first for smaller ring. Next goes to larger ring. So spiro, right, spiro. Here this is containing how many bridged carbons? 3 bridged carbons, 3. And this is containing how many bridged carbons? 4 bridged carbons, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. First can be written lower, next can be written higher. 3, 4. And how many carbons total? 8. Oct, and octane, all are single bonds. Here the functional group ketone is present at 5th carbon. So 5 one. Right. That is right. And next goes to this. This is also, both are containing same number of carbons. Both cyclic structures containing same number. So the numbering is given from this or this. Both are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Spiro. So this is also containing 4 carbon bridge. This is also containing 4 carbon bridge. 4, 4. So total 9 carbon. Non-N. Here this is one. This is ketone functional group. That ketone functional group present at 1 and 6th position. 1 and 6th position. So Spiro 4, 4. Non-N 1, 6 dione. 1, 6 dione. So these are the IUPAC nomenclatures for Spiro compounds. I hope to clear this everyone. Please subscribe our channel.